Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Weekly Tesla wrap-up. Tesla about open flat today, came down, tested the prior resistance becoming support area with the rising 8 EMA, closing just above the rotation zone and just below yesterday's high, still holding out at this key 37.5% retracement area. So we'll watch for, let's go to the weekly chart since this is a weekly wrap up. Here we go. I've updated a bunch of levels too. So right now, so this reversed, this is an outside week, which is actually a pretty bullish move. Major resistance now coming in at the 50% retracement from this down move. So 287 area, declining 8 on the weekly. And the 50% retracements, that's going to be the key resistance on a continued rally next week. Then the upper end of the rotation zone is coming back in at the significant level at 300. So those are your two major levels we'll be watching for on a continued rally next week. Remember, keep in mind, we still have this daily gap to the upside that's still, let me zoom in so we can see it. That's probably not as helpful as I wanted. There we go. So we still have this gap. So above 283.51, then we'll start watching for the gap fill up here. Now, the key levels that have been updated lower with this recovery, we're now going to be watching for the next key area on a resumed sell-off. If we do get below about 254.46, we will be watching. Let me just make sure these are in the correct spots. We'll be watching for a decline to 244 to 246, and then below there we have a major cluster at 238. So if we come back down and break to new lows, those will be the areas we're watching for. Real quick, let's see. We also have the 50-week exponential about 293. Might be some minor resistance up here. See, that's where we topped out just before. So if we do have that strong rally, that's another level you can watch for before we get to the significant level. Not yet an overbought condition based on the daily. I mean, sorry, that was the 50-day exponential. Let's go back to the weekly, and out now, clearly out of the oversold condition. So it's back to more neutral. The only bullish pattern is this bullish engulfing bar. So on a continued rally next week, really watch for that 287 first key level of resistance. So we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.